Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize z squared plus 2z minus 3. How do we do this question? Mr. Tan will use the cross chart to help us. Do take note how Mr. Tan position the terms. Z squared and negative 3 is at this side. 2z is at the other side. And what will be the factors for z squared? Wonderful! There's only one. Z times z. No other ways. And what about 3? Exactly. 3 and 1 only. No other factors. Later then we consider the negative sign. But for now, when we multiply them out, this will be 1z. This will be 3z. Now is to consider, where do I put my minus sign such that I will get 2 at the end of the result? Is it 3 minus 1 or 1 minus 3? I'm glad you guys know what to do. 3 minus 1. And that is where we will put the negative sign, so that 3 times positive 3 times negative 1 will give me negative 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. And that's where our answer is. So just need to write it out nicely. Z positive 3. Z negative 1. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.